Hello everyone, welcome to Hula Juan. Ang reading na ito ay para sa mga Pisces for July 2024. Unahin natin ang general forecast, then career or money, relationships, tapos yung mga advice. Welcome po kayong lahat dito sa Hula Juan. Ang goal ng channel nito ay magbigay ng gabay using light from above with loving intentions para may positive energies ang lahat. Okay, your first card for your general forecast is the Hierophant in reverse. Pisces, ang ginagawa ninyo ngayon is you're trying to do things a little bit different, or maybe you're trying to stay to do away with kung ano yung mga nakasanayan mo na. Or maybe you are being rebellious na parang iniiba mo yung mga bagay-bagay, no? So, in the past, you have the Six of Swords energy. The Six of Swords is like you parang tinatakasan mo lang yung mga bagay. Hindi ka masyadong, kumbaga you're escaping from some things, ganyan. Parang siguro ito yung mga bagay na you are trying to move away from, no? Or you're trying to improve. You have the Nine of Wands in reverse. The Nine of Wands is telling you to be ano ba? The Nine of Wands reverse is parang somehow para kang nag-chicken. You are being fearful or you are being hindi naman fearful parang well okay, let's just say na parang hindi ka masyadong nagkakaroon ng lakas ng loob to do some things, no? Parang you are realizing na merong mga bagay na parang needing your attention pero hindi ka nagkakaroon ng parang hindi mo ginagawa ng anything, no? You have the Temperance in reverse. So this is telling me na somehow you are lacking some sort of pagtansya sa sarili mo. Para may imbalances. So these are the things that you need to be more aware of. Kasi may mga bagay din na parang hindi ka masyadong naka-cloud siguro yung judgment mo, ganyan. So there are things that you may need to be more careful about or you need to take some notice pagdating sa iyong kumbaga there are certain things na imbalance pagdating sa iyo. Kaya yun yung parang gustong ipaalala sa iyo ng universe. The next card is the Moon. So you have the potential outcome na yung Moon na parang somehow ang dumadating sa akin dito is parang in your hearts of sa ilalim ng iyong kung ano ka talaga, you want to be a better person, you want to be a good person for other people as well, pero hindi mo siya naaabot because of some things or some hurdles na meron ka pa na nasa harapan mo. So think about yung mga people na parang you wanted to be na gusto mong i-improve yung relationship mo with them, or parang minsan baka meron kang may mga taong hindi ka nakasundo, ganyan. So yung kung natanggalin mo lahat ng emotions na hindi masyadong pack na pack, no? Gusto mo naman siyang i-improve Parang sino bang ayaw, 'di ba? But at the same time, yun nga may mga hurdles kasi. So, yun yung parang ang nangyayari tuloy, parang ang imposibleng gawin ng iyong gustong mangyari. So, if you remove those nga muna, parang be very mindful muna kung ano yung mga bagay na parang may hindi masyadong nagbibigay sa iyo ng na hindi ka nagiging best person of best na ikaw, yun kailangan mo siyang i-address. Okay, so let's see. Okay, this is your career. Kung nakatulong sa inyo ang reading nito, please subscribe, hit the like button if you are on YouTube, like and follow pag kayo ay nasa Facebook. Huwag niyo po kakalimutan to share sa iba itong reading na ito. Maliit na bagay lang to support this channel para puro blessings lang ang meron sa atin. So you have the Seven of Swords. The Seven of Swords is telling you na parang okay. Na parang may mga bagay that you are slowly changing things pagdating sa career mo. May mga hindi masyadong maganda na you are improving. Maganda yon. Or napaka-minor din ng iba eh. Parang feeling ko parang nagkakaroon ka ng beneficial na action na parang gumagaan yung mga bagay-bagay, no? You have the moon before. This is telling me na minsan siguro parang yung mga bagay na hindi siya ganun ka feasible or hindi siya ganun ka easy gawin. I think nabibigyan mo na siya ng pansin, no? You have the Three of Cups here. In your potential energy. So this is telling me na alam mo pagdating sa work naman na-enjoy mo din naman siya. I see you na parang nag-enjoy ka sa mga kasama mo, which is good, no? You have the Queen of Pentacles in your advice card. So this is telling me, alam mo parang puro ito yung yung advice sa madami. Parang yung Queen of Pentacles kasi sinasabi dito na be more careful or be more kung kailangan mo ng tulong or ng pera ganyan or kailangan mo yung pera sa sarili mo, huwag kang masyadong gastos ng gastos and huwag ka ding masyadong be mindful of how you are spending your time and your money. Okay? Kasi it looks like mas kailangan mo. It looks like na parang baka kailangan mong ma-remember sa sarili mo na huy, huwag ka masyadong OA sa pag-spend ng iyong time and money, okay? Okay. Five of Pentacles, this is your potential energy. Five of Pentacles, ayun na nga. So kung hindi ka nga masyadong action sa when it comes to your pera or when it comes to your time, baka ma-realize mo na, alam mo yun, minsan baka ay, naubos ko yung pera ko or baka minsan nasayang ko yung effort ko sa mga walang kakwenta-kwentang, alam mo yun. So you have to be more mindful of how you are using your resources. So dun tayo sa mga relationships and naman. Okay, your first card is the Queen of Discs. Ang daming ganito yung card. Bakit ganun? Queen of Discs, ibig sabihin yun nga, parang Queen of Pentacles, you are trying to be, actually when it comes to this, medyo selfish yung dating niya kasi parang mas, I think you realize din na kailangan mo yung, that you need your own, you need yourself. So that's why medyo may pagka-selfish ng konti. You have the Five of Discs in the past. Parang sometimes, in the past, parang medyo anong tawag doon? Yung parang akala mo mas madami, pero yun pala ang mas konti. Parang na overestimated mo yung sarili mo. You have the Ten of Swords here. I see that there is a potential for you to change or to somehow magkaroon ka ng pagbabago or there are things that will make you realize kasi na parang maybe that will make you think na baka ako yung kailangan may baguhin sa sarili ko, ganyan, baka if I change these things will happen, parang ganon. So maganda to kasi parang hindi naman tayong lahat walang ginawang perfecto, 'di ba? So kung merong change na nangyayari sa iyo, I think maganda yon. Okay. You have the Chariot as your advice card. So this is telling me na kung meron kang magandang intention, kung meron kang naiisip na parang dapat mong gawin, go for it. Especially when it comes to your relationship, parang kung alam mong makakatulong yon, gawin mo lang kasi ang parang somehow, kumbaga sa chess, ikaw yung kailangan gumalaw. Ganun. Parang you have this potential na may pwede kang gawin at maging maganda ang takbo eh. kung hindi mo daw yun kayang gawin, Pisces, you will remain as this person that is not able to own yourself. You're not able to own kung ano yung mga emotions na meron mo, and you're not able to own up to kung ano yung mga uh, tawag dito, let's say kung may nagawa ka, you're not owning up to them. Kumbaga hindi mo pinapangatawanan yung mga ginawa mo. Parang ganyan, no? So there is a need for you to really step up and to move forward kung ano yung, and to just do those things na parang naiisip mong maganda naman yung magiging relationships mo. Okay? So yun ang mga advice sa'yo, Queen of Pentacles. You need yourself more pagdating sa iyong pera, and wag kang masyadong gumastos. Kung may magandang gustong gawin, carry lang. Temperance in reverse, baka ngayon nga may mali-mali ka ng tansya, so you have to check that. Ayun lang naman. So you have to check on yung mga mali mong mga imbalances. You have the Queen of Pentacles na wag masyadong gumastos, and Chariot, something's good, may gusto kang magandang gawin sa mga relationships mo. Yan ang forecast mo for this month. Subscribe on YouTube and follow Hula Juan on Facebook para every month may aabangan kang forecast for your sign. Always remember, sa lahat ng gagawin mong desisyon, dapat mabuti ang iyong intensyon. See you sa next reading.